Hi guys, what's up? This is MLO's 3D Printing. Here I'm with you today. This episode I want to be able to share with you is an adventure that I had at a flea market. This flea market went all the way till midnight, and it was pretty cool because it was a toy flea market as well as costumes and fun stuff like that. And I was able to share some of my talent and some of my skills here at the flea market. I was able to share with my printers. You see my babies down there? Introducing to you Binky and Pepe. And you see that 3D printing right there? That did it like that in no time. And I'm excited that I could be able to share this video with you. And this video shows that I take my 3D printers with me to flea market, conventions, anywhere I feel that I could be able to showcase them. And they really are a show. People love them. They actually stand around them and they watch for long periods of time. They get fixated on the robots doing what they do best, 3D printing. And I love it. And I love the fact that I could be able to take my minis with me, and that's what they do. My minis are there for me so that I could take them with me anywhere I go. And that's why I got my minis. And then I got my big boys right over here, Vicky, and then we have Champ right over there. So folks, in this episode, I want to be able to share with something with you that was a great experience. And if you like this video, go ahead, leave it, come on, subscribe, hit that button, leave a comment as well. Some of the things that you're going to see in the video are actually pretty cool. And please leave a comment of anything that you see that's unique, that maybe you like or something like that, or maybe you just enjoyed the video. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. So if you also like what you're seeing, please, leave a comment. I'm going to continue to do this. I'm going to keep on putting some video up of my journey as a business owner in this 3D business. Also, I do want to share with you that I am starting an Etsy page for Golf Point, and I'll be talking about that in possibly maybe the next video. And I want to be able to share some good news about that so that you could possibly buy something that's unique to the golf industry, which I'm getting into, and something that you could be able to enjoy yourself. So, folks, thank you again for just loving and sharing and leaving comments and really subscribing. I really appreciate that. And thank you again. This is MLO, and bye now.